Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Eclipse Autocomplete works without using the Ctrl Space. Once you install Eclipse, the autocomplete is going to work by using the Ctrl Space. What does that mean? I'm going to bring my keyboard here. So if I start writing this, the autocomplete is not going to work. But if I just write Y and then hit Ctrl Space, the autocomplete is gonna work. So the autocomplete works if you use Ctrl Space, and you can use that features. And now the question, how to make the autocomplete of the Eclipse works without using Ctrl Space. It's really very easy. Go to Window, Preferences, then Java, Editor, then Content Assist, and go to this text field, Auto Activation Triggers for Java. And what you want to do is this. Copy paste this string in this text field. Okay, and this string is available in the video description. And after that, just click Apply and Close. And now let's try to see whether the autocomplete is gonna work without the Ctrl Space or not. Just write this, and as you can see that the autocomplete is working without using the Ctrl Space. That's it for this video. Thank you for listening. I hope that you enjoyed my video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and drop a like for this video.